So we just got home. Christmas Eve. There's the tree. We got home and we found this laying in CeeDee's bed. Now that is a new toy that was wrapped in that paper. And that toy was all the way back in here where all these toys and these packages are knocked around. So I think a Mr. Dexter, yes, you, I think Mr. Dexter reached over, picked up that package with his teeth, and then his partner in crime, CeeDee,
Deedles.
yeah.
Take a picture of me too, Dad. Me.
Unwrapped one present early.
And put it in her bed. Along with the paper.
Guilty. Dexter. Are you guys guilty? Are you guilty?
We don't regret it. We got early plates out.
Are you guilty, Dexter?
We were bored.